Hi, my name is Emma Templeman,
And I'm Melissa Henley.
and during these tough times, we decided to present our project at home.
Our experiment is electrolysis.
Electrolysis is the process of which hydrogen and oxygen is produced.
The way we found this experiment was our 8th grade teacher, Mr. Gale, recommended the topic to us, and we decided that it would be a really interesting thing to do, and it's something that we've never tried before.
Our problem is, does different electrolytes affect how much oxygen and hydrogen is produced?
Our hypothesis is if electrolysis needs electrolytes, then baking soda would work the best because it dissolves the fastest.
Before the procedure, we took one of the test tubes and found the volume of that. This will be needed for later.
How we did this experiment is you take a large glass jar and you fill it up with 750 milliliters of distilled water. After, you put in 2 teaspoons of the desired electrolyte and stir until it fully dissolves. And then you take 2 small glass test tubes and you fill it up with the same water that's in the large glass jar. You take your thumbs and flip it into the large glass jar without any water spilling out. After that, you put the battery at the bottom and put each test tube over the battery terminals, and it should start producing bubbles. And then you wait 20 minutes until it's done.
After the time is done, you take both of the test tubes, make sure you know which one's the negative and which one's the positive, and you subtract each one from the volume before. So these 2 pictures we took of our experiment. The first one is showing 2 test tubes placed on each battery terminal. The second one is our ring holding each test tube.
For our results, it's hard to see, but our graph shows that baking soda worked the best over the 20-minute period of time, and borax was our least effective electrolyte because it did not dissolve very fast, and water did not work at all because electrolysis needs electrolytes to produce hydrogen and oxygen.
During this experiment, we faced many difficulties. The first time we ever did electrolysis, there was no bubbles, which is a sign of electrolysis.
The second time, one thing that we needed to do the experiment ended up dissolving.
The third time, we had everything perfect except for when we found out the data, which didn't match at all.
And the fourth time, this is our 4th time, it worked very well because we used a large glass jar instead of using a small cup. And the data ended up making sense in the end, and we're very happy with the results.
We would like to thank our parents for giving us supplies and a place to work.
We would also like to thank Mr. Gale because he helped us through everything along the way, and he kept us motivated during all the difficult times. Thank you.